Hi guys, I'm Mary James 124 and I had that package from the mail. I ordered from Amazon. And help from my mom too. Thanks mom, thanks for a good Christmas present. So I'm going unboxing right now. Kids, not use scissors. Do not play scissors. It's dangerous. It hurt you, injure, or cut you. Get permission from your aunts, uncles, or grandparents to help. And why did I have this upside down? Have my home address and my pastor's name, and I want to show you. So, yeah, I put this on hold. Sorry, I hold it with one hand. It's this toenail. Toenail. See? Toenail is here. And this is toenail. The new steam locomotive being built in 2008. Yeah, that's my timeline. My time. See? The other one from the background is my brother opening his Christmas present. So, yeah, I'm happy that toenail. Sorry that the camera's moving. I'm only on one tripod, one hand. So, sorry about that. All the camera's shaking. I'm very excited to have it in my collection. It's hard to do it with one hand. I use one. Sorry, I know it's sorry, but sorry, people. Sorry, so sorry. Here is toenail, and now I check the DD have been not been. Yep, I was right. It is moving, unpacking. It was on moving around, was packing. See? I got the book away. I'll be back. See? I got the book Toenail from 2012 to 2011, published. I'm very happy that the book and that the DVD both at the same time present. And thank you, Mom, so much for giving me this beautiful Christmas gifts. Thank you so much. I love it already. So, I'm Hubby James, 124, signing off. Click the subscribe button and you get more videos in the future. If you don't subscribe, I'll be honest there. And Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye.